Hey guys, for June's gymnastic strength we've got the hand compression, press handstand and the pike. So what we're working on first for the hand compression, the easiest one is just to do a slight pike like that. You can halve the lever length and just go to a hold like that. It's an isometric hold. You might hold it up and then obviously a straight leg going to here. Coming up, your goal is to get that one to hold for the full 30. It's pretty heavy, so choose a version that you can get at least kind of 15 seconds out with it. Then we've got the press handstand, so you're going to use the band, or you can even do it without the band. You're just going to make sure that your fingertips come back past where the band is anchored, so you get some lift out of it. And then from there, shrugging up, point the toes, and lean. You're trying to hold for as long as you can. This is very heavy. I'm just trying to get the strength in there in that pike position. So again, you might not even use a band, just come up on your tippy toe and try and hold that as high as you can for just 30 seconds. So you're really trying to strengthen and condition that press position so you get a better lift off. It is quite hard. Then for the pike, the length in the hamstrings, if you've got a box or you've got a step you can reach further past, it's quite good and add some load. Otherwise you're just letting it hang down. You can add a bit more force by pulling on the ankles. You want to lengthen that spine. Just remember with these, if your hamstrings can't get to at least that position, you're rounding at the back, you're going to put a lot of pressure into the lower back. So your first step is to work on getting more hamstring length before you integrate the lower back. That way you won't wear it out. And then just to reverse that flexion force from those three movements, just doing some type of extension. I like the traction extension, so I lengthen my spine and then extend and just relax, rock side to side. So I'm trying to open up the front of my spine to counterbalance all that flexion force that went into my back. So work on that 4 rounds. Remember the first round really warm up, second round you work a bit harder, it's only the third and the fourth that you really want to work hard. And just make sure you counterbalance that, don't just do all flexion movements.